What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to build a mobile TV stand that we're going to use for the flight simulator rig. We have the VEVOR Mobile TV Stand. It's going to carry our 49-inch Samsung Odyssey monitor that we already have. There are many different kinds of monitors out there, most of which are very expensive for gaming or simulator rigs. So I did scout the internet for something that's relatively inexpensive but still serve the same purpose, strong enough to withstand the weight of the 49-inch Samsung Odyssey monitor, and has a sleek design, well enough for cable management as well. So